Hey guys, so here's where we're at. This one I did a little more of a crouch pose. Now, a few things. So first off, I broke this away with a combination of a pin vise, nippers, and a rotary tool. I got the netting in there. I got the piston in there. I was going to put a sleeve on it, for like the outer part, but I couldn't get it to look good. Now, this is before the weathering and all that, okay? And I did the same with the face. With the face, though, I only used my rotary tools. And that's going to start to look really good. Initially, I had accidentally painted this now white. So I had to redo this video. I just painted it, hand painted it this time. But yeah, I tore away at a lot of it. I had to kind of loosely fit it together in order to do this, to make sure all the parts worked well together when they were connected. So like, for example, if this piece was not damaged and it was just this in its entirety, it would have looked weird here. Same with the face and the side piece of the face and the snout, right? Another thing with this tail, because it's only connected by one side, you could see here, the peg on this side is inside the piece. There's the peg in here I kind of broke off, and since that piece that would hold the peg together is gone, once I finish this, I am going to glue the tail down, okay? Now, this is going to help break up the yellow quite a bit too, although now that it's fully built, I'm like, okay, well, that's actually pretty broken up already. Oh, whoops. Get back on there, you. Come on now. All right, so we're going to go do the transformation here. All right, or is this the one that goes, does this go the other way? It might. Let me see the instructions for the transformation real quick. Make sure I'm getting this right. Let's see, so that's green and red, blue and yellow. Here we go. Okay, so that goes up, that goes back, and toes go up like so. Okay. Do the same on the other side. Something else I want to show you guys that I didn't show you on the Blue Lion. I got rid of the seam lines. So for example, this piece is two halves sandwiched together. Remove the seam line with Tamiya plastic cements and then some putty. Same with this seam line. These again are two pieces sandwiched together. Remove the seam line. And I did the same on the Blue Lion. So yeah, let's get these legs bent up. Okay. And once the weathering's getting started, it'll look so much better than it does now. It already looks pretty good, but yeah. Now for the blue and yellow lines, I am going to use the stickers for the eyes just because it's so deep in there and I don't want to risk messing it up. However, the silver on this round piece, the red here and the black here, I will be hand painting. Now let's go for the forearms. Let's see. So this, it's like that goes up in there. This goes up in here. And, you know what? Let me start this right now. Oof. I can already tell this is going to be a delicate joint. I can already tell. Alright, same with on this side. Okay. I believe that's about right. This needs to go down a bit. This side needs to go down a little bit. And then, of course, we need to pop this open. Now, I'm assuming this is for the back of the foot. But, yeah, there it is in its robot mode. So, it's looking really good. Very happy with how this is turning out. I really think the client's going to be really pleased with this. So again, coming out really good. This is the left leg, so we're gonna bend it like so, and yeah, and like I said, the Blue Lion's ready to go as well. But yeah, and a little extra treat here. As you can see, I'm already kind of working on the Black Lion. I've got these cemented here and down here, and once those dry completely, I'll sand those down. And that'll help a great deal. Here is the start of the torso for the Black Lion. Again, I removed the seams, so everything going down here, gone. Everything, oh, you can see a little bit right there. I might have to go back and fix that up. We'll see. because I think there's a part that goes over it, but I might just stick a little bit of putty in there and clean that up. See, this side looks good though. Oh, I'm kind of seeing, no, yep, teeny tiny bit. So yeah, I'll go back over that with some putty. And then we have the exciting part, the head of the black lion. Now this was tricky because the yellow on the eyes and the red on the cheeks there is molded in. So that, I couldn't paint that piece because of that. I just tried to get as close to that shade of black as I could. Now for the neck here, I also removed the seam lines because again, two halves sandwiched together. You can kind of see in this piece, look, you can see where that line is, see, right down the middle, and boom, gone, and gone. And then of course, when you open up the head there, okay, there's that, and then you open up the mouth, and boom, there is the Voltron head. So yeah, it's looking great. And the blue and yellow and black on that piece are pre-done as well. It's just one piece. The mouth, jaw, all that, nose, everything down from there, I just did in silver as usual. But yeah, it looks like this part of the snout should be a different color. That I might wind up using the sticker for. We'll see. I mean, that'd probably be better than painting, just because it's such a noticeable spot. I might go with the sticker just for that. So yeah, of course, this here is the neck, so you would bend it down, and that's when that goes like so. See? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's where we're at. I'm waiting for the putty to dry on his tail for the next piece, because to connect several of the next pieces together, I need the tail attached in the middle. So you can see the putty in there to fill out that hole in there in the middle. Oof, if I can get this bad boy to focus. Usually takes about a day or so. So give me about a day and I'll be able to move on to more of the black lion. I might actually do some of the legs now. I would kind of like to get the waist started, just to see what it looks like when I attach them to the leg parts. But yeah, that's where we're at. Super exciting. I'm going to top coat the yellow lion in gloss, and then I'm going to start the weathering. I mean, of course, I'm going to dirty up the metal there. The black stripe is not perfect. It's pretty damn close though. But I'm going to ding that up a little bit too. Again, with the weathering on the eye, that's going to take care of that. Take care of the red, black, and silver there. I believe these two are silver as well. But yeah, that is where we're at. It's looking great. Of course, this is going to be the knee joint. That's where it bends, right? Now, the back legs of the black lion, I will not be painting at all, because it's going to scrape up inside anyway. And I'm going to, any area that's not seen on those back legs of the black lion, I'm going to leave as is. That way, you know, nothing scrapes, nothing's getting damaged, and it makes the joints not too snug. You don't want it too bad, you know. It's okay to have some snugness to it, but you don't want it that snug. Anyway, that's where we're at, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.